Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free gold in the game Highrise Social Metaverse. So this is a modded version, it works on all devices. So let's get into the video. So basically what you need to do is go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. They have like all these modded apps and stuff. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Highrise Social Metaverse. It should come straight up. Okay, so I don't know why it's not working. Okay, here it is. So go ahead and press on it. The site is a little bit laggy, so it might take a minute to load up, but once it loads up, just press the download button and it will start downloading the modded version onto your device. So let's see if it works. I'm not really sure why it's not working. Alright, so here we go, guys. Before it downloads, there will be one more step, verification. So what we have to do is download some apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps or surveys. So you want to make sure, guys, that when you're downloading these apps, you're reading the instructions. This is really the only way you can mess up. If you download the app and you don't read the instructions, then you're kind of screwed. So make sure you read them. You can see TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds, but then Family Island says reach level 10. So make sure you guys are doing, I did the Family Island one actually myself. So anyway, yeah, there'll usually be like 4 of them. You only have to do 2 of them though. And if you're in another country, they might be completely different. That's totally fine. But yeah, that's how you get the Highrise Social Metaverse modded version, guys. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested. This is super crazy and it's like totally updated. So I'll see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.